Saya.
Happy New Year.
All right. What year is this?
2012.
All right. Yeah. Try. Can you be more monotone?
2012.
Very good. Hey, so Saya, when you're 25 years old, what do you think your life's going to be like?
Horrible.
We're gonna shit.
It's a terrible, terrible life?
Yeah.
Will you be in jail or not in jail?
I'm gonna be in the bottom of my mom's basement.
Okay, in the basement.
There's no
No,
basement. That's
seriously.
underground.
Seriously, where will you be living?
On Kauai.
On Kauai. Not going to move away, huh? Okay. And so you're going to be married?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. You got to give me an answer. Just guess. I let Kern get away with it, but I'm not letting everybody.
No. We'll be neighbors.
You're not going to be married.
No.
Okay. Not going to have kids yet. Okay. Working? Or are you going to be like on state assistance? Food stamps?
I don't know what my job would be. Either surf school.
Surf school or?
I don't know.
What about your art? No?
Surf school.
Okay, you could tend bar like Annika. All right. Okay. All right. You didn't give me very many answers, but I still love you.
I know you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.